Saturday, May 27th. And we're in the middle of, or the beginning of Memorial Weekend. Drip, drip, drip. It's a little wet and a little chilly. I broke out my sweater today. It was like high of 60. I'm like, what? Anyway, good for us knitters. We like to wear our woolies, right? All right, let me first of all tell you quickly about the gloves in a bottle. Remind you, these are products we've had, and they have a brand new product that we sold out of, and we've just gotten it back in. It is absolutely very popular, and it works. So gloves in a bottle is a hand shielding lotion for relief of extremely dry hands. It's non-greasy, it absorbs thoroughly, and it lasts through washing, hand washings. So this is the gloves in a bottle. This one is 3.4 ounces. It's $12.50. Fantastic. Then we have the pocketbook size. This is the 2 ounce. This is $8.50. Fantastic. It says it relieves dry and irritated skin, eczema and psoriasis relief, and cracked feet from diabetic, and it's diabetic friendly. So there you go. Now, this is their newest one, which is super hydrating, non-greasy relief and serious protection for sensitive skin. It has aloe vera, comfrey, yarrow, chamomile, and arnica. I've had customers test this and say, what? This is amazing. We got the new large size in. The large size is $25.95. That's bigger than we had before. And this one is 8 ounces. This is twice as much, 4 ounces. Smaller size, $15.95. Fantastic. Fantastic. You will love, love, love SkinMD. All right. 2 new products. 2 products, one newer than the other, and wonderful. Highly recommend it. All right. You got your email last night, if you were paying attention. And Ann Weaver, who hasn't been here since 2017, is coming July 22nd and 23rd. We are so excited. We sent an email out last night. Chrissy worked really hard, made it really appealing and informative. So thank you, Chrissy. And so we have 4 classes. It's 2 classes on Saturday, 2 classes on Sunday, each one 3 hours, from 9 to 12 and from 1 to 4. All right, those 2 days. We have priced everything separately. So if you only want to take 1 class, it's $85. Okay. If you want to take 2 classes, any 2 mix or match, it's $150. If you want to take 3 classes, mix or match, it is $195. That's the price is like that. Pardon me. If you want to take the whole package, it is $255 for the entire package, but it includes all of the supplies for the 3 classes that require supplies. So you're going to get a darning egg, you know, a wooden egg with a handle. You're going to get a wooden darning egg. You're going to get enough yarn in 5 colors to do the yipes, stripes, / Latvian braid, right? You can use that same yarn for either one of those. And then you will get enough sport weight yarn to do the short row cowl, okay? And the last is the mending and weaving, and we will have plenty of leftover fingering yarn for to use for that. So that's all in, $255. So you get all of the products, all of the supplies necessary, plus the classes at a reduced price. So that's great. Each class, it's $85 for one, and then it goes down. So it's $85. I don't know. You'll have to look and see what the prices are, but they go down. So it's the more you get, the less you pay per class. And then on Sunday, oh, P.S., if you want lunch, 1 day, 2 days, no days, whatever, there is a place online to purchase lunch for $12 a day. If you want lunch both days, please buy 2 lunches, okay? So that's great, and we need to know ahead of time who wants to eat lunch, because we'll only have enough for those that have paid. All right, And then on Sunday, when we end her class at 4, we will move, we will be at Bella Filati. Saturday, we will be at the Baptist Church. Sunday, we will be back at Bella Filati because we're closed, and Anne will have set up a trunk show. Brain fade, slight brain fade. She will have set up her trunk show of all her sample garments and have a display and sale of her plied yarns, P-L-I-E-D, plied yarns. It's a collaboration with the gal who has Neighborhood Yarns, I think. Anyway, it's a twist. It's very attractive, and so she will have that here. And that at 4 o'clock, it's open to everyone. That is nothing. You don't have to pay for that. It's just open from 4 to 6:30. You can meet Anne and buy her yarn and shop the store, and we'll be here for you. So anyway, that's coming up, and I'm very, very, very excited. There is limited seating. It does max out. So you may want to jump in early and get your seat for the front row, okay? So I think that's all I have today. That's a lot. Reread your email and see what's coming up. We are going to be closed on Monday, so I don't think there'll be a whole lot going on downtown, and I'm not sure the weather's going to be, I don't know what, so I decided to let my girls have the day to their families and to themselves. So as I said yesterday, we need to commemorate and thank and remember all of those who have served to allow the freedoms that we experience every single day, and we thank them for their service and many for their lives. Thank you to the military, active and retired. We are grateful, and it's very real around here. Fort Bragg's not very far down the road. So anyway, that's it. Have a lovely, peaceful Sunday, contemplative, relaxing, and enjoy your Monday, and we'll celebrate a 4-work week next week. I'll see you on Tuesday.